Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to verify your identity on ID.me for unemployment benefits. So step 1, visit ID.me and create an account for login. Step 2, choose verify for unemployment from the available services. Step 3, select your state and agree to continue. Step 4, upload a valid government-issued ID such as driver's license or passport. Step 5, take a live selfie using your webcam or phone camera. Step 6, confirm your social security number and address details. Step 7, submit your verification request and wait for approval. Once completed, your ID.me profile will be verified and ready for use with unemployment agencies. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.